The 1900s to 1920s was known as the individual difference period. There were two differences in legislation and a set of objectives. Um, the seven principles of Cardinal were developed by a committee that set objectives for secondary schools. Number one in the seven principles of Cardinal was the fundamental processes, which included reading, writing, and arithmetic. Number two was health. Three, civics. Four, worthy home membership. Five, vocation. Six, worthy use of leisure time. And seven, moral and ethical principles and development. All of these objectives that were set for the secondary schools ended up becoming subjects except for number seven, moral and ethical principles and development. Another significant thing that happened in the early 1900s was the Smith-Hughes Act. And this provided the teaching of vocational classes, which meant for boys they could partake in things like shop and they could make dressers and things of that matter, kind of like learn how to become handy. And then for girls, they partake in things like sewing or home economics, cooking, things of that matter. Vocational classes were something that was looked at as intriguing. And unfortunately, by the 70s and 80s, though, it was looked to be insignificant. And then we see them decline out of the public education system.